Are you looking for the best portable CarPlay? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best portable CarPlay on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Car and Driver Intellidash Pro X10. We initially didn't want to test our namesake infotainment screen, for obvious reasons. But interestingly, the Intellidash brand name, which is manufactured and distributed by Summit Electronics, kept popping up in our research. Not only is it one of the top sellers in the space, but user reviews were overwhelmingly positive, and the new 10.0-inch Pro X10 model promised industry-leading optics and a large low-profile screen size. We figured we had to see how it stacked up against the competition. We're glad we did. The screen is crisp, with solid visibility even from off angles, and the colors are surprisingly true to life for a portable unit. It boots quickly, connects reliably, and feels well built. The power button even has a nice, satisfying click to it. We especially like the widescreen display on this unit, as it still offers a lot of real estate without creating a whole new blind spot on your dash. The only notable downside is the mounting versatility, which is a bit of a mixed bag. It uses a flexible adhesive base that's great for sticking it where you want it, but you won't get much adjustability after that. Once it's on, it's on. Still, with multiple audio output options, AUX, Bluetooth, FM, a 3 out of 5 rating in our audio test, and a hefty quality feel, the Intellidash Pro X10 is one of the more refined options in this space and the best of the bunch we've tested. Number 2. Capapro 7.0-inch HD Portable CarPlay Unit. The Capapro punches above its weight. Its 7.0-inch screen isn't exactly cinematic, but when you're looking straight on, it gets the job done. Step a little off to the side and things go sideways. Literally. The viewing angle is narrow, but in day-to-day use, it's manageable. Where it shines is in responsiveness. Inputs are fast. With a snappy interface, we'd rate a 4/5. Boot up is near instant, and the audio is surprisingly decent for something at this price point. We gave it a 3.5/5. The plastic build feels light and not especially premium, but the included mounts and accessories more than make up for it. Between the backup cam, multiple mounting options, and USB-C power, it's a well-rounded package that's easy to install and easy to like. Number 3. ATOTO P9. ATOTO's offering is a bit of a different beast, and we mean that in both good and bad ways. The screen is excellent. It's vibrant, saturated, and readable even in direct sunlight thanks to auto brightness and custom presets. There's some input lag when swiping or tapping, but it's minimal compared to most of its competitors. Here's the big catch, though. This one isn't plug-and-play. It needs to be hardwired into your vehicle's fuse box, and oddly enough, it didn't even come with a physical manual to walk us through that process, although it is available on their website. That was a bit of a head-scratcher, but more important, it means this unit isn't portable and can't be easily moved from one vehicle to another. Audio quality was also a weak point unless we used the external mic, and even then it wasn't crystal clear, earning it only a 2.5/5 in our testing. If you're confident with DIY installs and prioritize display quality and size over convenience and portability, the P9 might be worth a shot. Otherwise, it's probably more effort than it's worth. Number 4. Eonon P4 Wireless Apple CarPlay Screen. Eonon's P4 is the quiet achiever of the group. The screen is excellent, bright, crisp, and color accurate. There's a bit of touch lag, but nothing that gets in the way of its usability. Boot time is quick, and it connects to phones without drama. Overall responsiveness is right around the middle of the pack. We found the unit impressively stable during drives. No bouncing, no rattling. Audio gets a 3 out of 5. It's clear enough for music and calls, but it's not coming anywhere close to replacing your vehicle's integrated speakers. The built-in dash cam is a thoughtful touch, though it feels more like a bonus than a true security feature. The image can get stretched and the field of view is narrow, but it's there if you need it. Number 5. Hauxiy Wireless Touchscreen with Dash Cam. We wanted to like the Hauxiy unit more than we did. It's a budget option with a generous 9.0-inch display, but the screen left a lot to be desired. Colors looked washed out, saturation was off, and it showed every smudge. Touch response was rather laggy, and overall, The interface left much to be desired. Our audio tests put it at a 2/5. The built-in microphone and speakers do the job, but just barely. On the plus side, setup is simple, and the adjustable arm mount is genuinely well designed. It feels light, almost too light, but once installed, it holds firm. The inclusion of a dash cam sounds great on paper, but in practice, it's mostly a novelty. It's overexposed and oddly angled, and half the view gets blocked by the dash. Still, for the price, you're getting a lot of gear in the box.